Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to insert video in Shopify product description. Let's get started. So first, let's head over in here on our products. And in here on our products, let's just head over to our product that you want to add a video in. So for example, right here, I have this product. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, I have in here a video on YouTube that I want to add. So what I can do is I click on the share button right here and click on the copy right here. Once I have copied it, we just need to head over or head back to our description. Now you should be able to see an option in here for this insert image, insert video as well. Now click on this insert video. Now you can just paste embedded snippet on the box below. This is only applicable if you have an embedded video. But for example, you just want to add something or a link, you can use this link option right here. But for example, you can't use that link. You can head over in this media. Click on this add from URL. Now just pasting here the link that we have copied. Click on add file right here. Then actually in this, we should be able to add this video on our account if you're actually not on a trial plan like I am. So if you actually have a plan supported, you should be able to add it on your actual video. Another thing that you can do is you can actually just download this video that we have right here and then insert it from in here on your media as well and upload it from local. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.